What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving another update on Algorand. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So as usual, I like to give a little recap from my previous video. So this was Algorand trading at 32 cents. And I called out the massive Class A bearish divergence, and I said that price action has gone parabolic. So we are currently trading way above all of the moving averages. So I said based on those indicators, I wouldn't be surprised if Algorand got a pullback. So I would start to flag it out. Fast forward to the current Algorand chart, and we actually did start to flag out, but then we broke down violently. But in general, you kind of knew this was coming with the massive Class A bearish divergence. So in general, if you guys enjoy accurate technical analysis, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as usual, I will go over the Algorand chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So Algorand is currently trading at a price point of just under 25 cents. The market cap is just over 2 billion, which ranks 58th among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is about 8 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is about 80.7% in circulation. And then if you guys are looking to buy the dip on Algorand, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Algorand Foundation X account, which has 152,000 followers. And they just posted 1 hour ago. Don't miss out on Dubai Nights with Algorand, M2, and Cypher Capital at our exclusive Token 2049 side event in Dubai. And this is taking place on April 19th, so perhaps this is something you guys want to attend. And then 15 hours ago, Algorand is an enterprise-grade programmable Layer 1 blockchain. Instant finality, less than 3-second block time, and up to 10,000 transactions per second. And all of this is very good, especially the instant finality. Just to put this in perspective, Bitcoin could take up to 2 hours to be 99.976% sure that the transaction will not get reversed. Algorand is almost immediately 100% certain. And then as you can see right here, Algorand was attending another event last week. And as I always say, I love to see this because it gets their name and technology out there. And the reality of the crypto market is that hype is a very strong factor. And one of the best ways to garner hype is if people in general know about your project. And then they also reposted Go Plausible's post on March 19th. We are merging new worlds at Event Horizon. Wait for Algorand Algo fam. Also wait for project codename Dive by Go Plausible. So in general, it's a good thing to see they're continuing to build their connections. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at some macro news that could affect Algorand's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Algorand. So this is Watcher Guru's X account, and they just posted 20 hours ago. Federal Reserve leaves interest rates unchanged, remains at 5.25% to 5.5%. And this is very good to see. A lot of people out there thought rates were going to get raised, and that's why people thought Bitcoin was dropping to about 60,900. But since then, we've bounced all the way back up to 66K. And then 21 hours ago, the SEC is pursuing a legal campaign to classify Ethereum as a security. Now, at this point, clearly Bitcoin is not a security, and this didn't work against XRP, so I have no idea if this is going to work against Ethereum, but probably not. Now, obviously, there are some things different about Ethereum. However, let me know down in the comments, do you guys think there's any chance Ethereum would get classified as a security? Personally, I don't really think so. And then 23 hours ago, Robinhood launches crypto wallet on Google Play for Android users. So again, we're just continuing on with crypto adoption. Any of you guys that are genuinely worried about this crypto dip, just look at the bigger picture. Crypto is clearly not going anywhere. And then lastly, BlackRock launches digital asset fund and deposits 100 million USDC on the Ethereum network. Now, this will be very interesting to see what the 100 million is actually for. Right now, there's a lot of speculation. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and we've been making some very nice gains, so I think you guys might get some very useful information. And then I do also want to take a second to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers: a general Discord / trader tier, an exclusive tier, and then a VIP tier. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. Not to mention, I have an amazing community that is also constantly calling out opportunities that they are seeing in the market. For example, Chop, who is one of my community members, called out APU, and within 4 days, we were up over 700%. But it's not just APU. We have been making some very nice gains, and we have been making thousands of percent on AI projects. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage, and it's also in the description of the video. I would love to have you guys in here. Again, we are building a phenomenal community. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. Now at the moment, I'm going to keep it very brief because it's actually somewhat similar to Bitcoin. The reality is that price action had went parabolic, but then broke all the way down beneath the 21-day moving average. That is not ideal to see at all. However, price action did get a bounce off of the 50-day, which shows that this is a very strong support level. So plain and simple, right now, I will not be bullish on Algorand in the short term again until we can get back above the 21-day moving average. As long as we are trading beneath this level, I will remain bearish. bullish. Although I do want to point out the fact that price action swings from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low, which is Class A bullish divergence. And that typically signals a local bottom has been reached. And that would co-align with price action bouncing off of the 50-day moving average and the fact that these two candles were tweezer bottoms. So based on that, it's actually looking like we might get a bounce. Although something you need to watch out for is that if price action does break out, we might get a bearish retest off of the 21-day. If that happens, price action can fall right back down to the 50-day. So just understand, Algorand does have some very mixed signals right now. But now we will take a look at Bitcoin as it is correlated to most altcoins. And this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And very similar to what I said on Algorand, price action had broken beneath the 21-day moving average. However, yesterday's candle actually got right back above, and it is a bullish engulfing candle. So this is very interesting, and the current candle is trading on the 21-day. So right now, 67,000 is a very crucial level. Now, you could actually argue that Bitcoin is starting to form a bull flag, which break up 68% of the time. And this bull flag in particular has a measure move to just under 80,000. Now, is that guaranteed to play out? No, it's not. And I do also want to point out the fact that on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is still trading way away from all of the moving averages, as you can see right here. And if you look back in Bitcoin's history, we always come back and retest these levels. So there's definitely a chance that Bitcoin continues dropping or at least trades sideways for a while. But I will say, if Bitcoin can find footing, it could provide altcoins with an opportunity to truly start running. Because for this entire pump, Bitcoin dominance has been extremely high. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.